Hi shooters, welcome to the How to Shoot Straight channel. On this video I'm going to unbox the Barnard Model S. This one's a right port, right bolt, plunger, 308 bolt face, jewel hanger. I already opened this. It comes with a nice sticker, semi-nice. I don't know what this is. I think it's for a trigger hanger. Here's the bolt. I need to turn this. The pin is there, so I need to turn this over here. Here's the bolt, 3 lug. It's a little bit of rust here. I'll clean it. Short throw, I think it's 60 degrees. Save this because I'm going to ship this out. My gunsmith. And here's the action. Trigger hanger. That's for bolting the action. This one is for the spigot. Port. Oh yeah, that's on the way. I think I have to unscrew this to move that. I like the Barnard action because they're obviously very good tolerance for F-class. Not the best ones, they're betters, but it's good tolerance. And then it's chrome only. It's hard, case hardened after. It's precision ground, so it's pretty accurate and very strong. But that don't matter actually. This is what matters. It's very strong, so not the prettiest one out there. Here is a spigot. I've never seen one before. So instead of using a recoil lug, I'm using this. And it goes right here, this one here. Like that. And you need a matching V-block inlet in your stock. This is a Barnard Model S, and it goes here. And now those This is fitting right. Fits perfect. And screws will go in underneath. I guess I could leave this here. So we got a few more things to show you. That's it for the Barnard. I always call it Barnard, but there's an R in it, so it shouldn't be like the French. Pronounce it. Here's a box of goodies. Christmas. So I got some Barnard 220X. Just got 100 to test it. Might get more. A few things that you guys may need to know or need. So for FTR, you need Lapua, one of the best one you can get. You want the Palma. Oh, yeah. Palma. It's not focusing very good. Palma, a small flash hole, 1.5 millimeters, 59 thou. That's what you want. And for powder, you either get N150, N140, or Variegat. And I got the N140. I don't mind Variegat, but we don't have any in stock. So I stuck to Vitavori. It's good. It's made by Lapua, so that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.